Bro, this is something that's why you are losing in your life. And I don't think so that you would win ever in your life if you are not learning anything. And if even if you are learning anything, then you will not win because your mindset is to be a poor person, not to be a rich person who are gonna be the best in their field. I don't care what people think about those people, but I think that I am the best at every single stage where I am standing right now. I am the standing ovation person. People will always give me the standing ovation because I am the person who is the best about all speaking language, the confidence, the self amusement, and the like a self bureaucracy, and all of that stuff admire me to go and get whatever you want because you only get once a life. You can't let it waste. Go and get every single fucking thing that you want in your life. It doesn't matter how much time it will take, but it will take less time if you think that you are at the best level. You will start to work that you are the best and you have become the best. Whenever you are walking in your room and any hall in where the average people have standing right there, and basically you are going right there, you have the certain type of charismatic aura. Your aura tells the people that you are the person who is the one that is gonna chunk of all the people clench their heart by your words, and your hearts will pouring down from the like a drop of water from the asman, like you are the best person. Like you are not the bureaucrat for any person. You are the one person who is gonna be the one amusement sign for their family. You are gonna be the first millionaire from your family. You are gonna be the first billionaire family in this family era. Your entire khandan will see that you have become whatever you wanted to be, and people were thinking that you couldn't even get the nokari of a chaprasi that you have gotten right now, that you have not gotten. You have gone even more there. Like they can't even think about that. Some people are calling about the IIT, they are going to the NIT, they are going to the AIMS, all for studying. But you have become at that age, and you have seen yourself from there, and you have become the person that you were. And I have become as if you should live as if you have already become, because before you sleep you need to first act to get into the sleep. But if you don't act to sleep, you will not be able to sleep, because if you don't lay down into bed, you will just think of like you will not be able to sleep. Before that, you have to go into the bed, lay down, act like you have slept, and now after that you will sleep. That's how it works the life. Whenever you want to become something, you have to work that you have as if you have already become that person, and now you are becoming that person. Like now you are catering that people after you have become, like I'm just gonna explain it a little bit because it's clear, really easy thing and the simple thing that you can do. Like before you want to become something, you have to act as if you have already become. And when you will act, you will work, you will take the action that will make you the best people in into the field that you want to go. And before that, you have, as if when you have already become the person that you want, as if you are living it. I'm just getting down all of the things that I have said right now. And after you will go there, it will feel normal, completely normal. That's the aesthetics about the life, that it shows everything is normal, everything is illusion, but you have to live in this illusion. This is called the maya, and the maya is the best thing that you can ever find in your life, because the maya sets you apart from the person. Maya gives you the entertainment that you want in your life, and maya is something that excites you into the life where you want to cater down. And I admire the life that God has given to me. I always thank to the God, and I love the God. I love the universe. I love whatever the life I have got, and I know I am not gonna compromise anything in my life, because I have gotten already all of the things. And now this is my time to go to the billionaire, to the millionaire, or the best model in this country. And I know I will be at the global. And I don't know that people are not gonna like me because I am the best people in the fucking man era. Whatever the era is. I am the best fucking man. I don't care about the people. I don't care about what people are saying about me. But I know I have become that. As if I'm living as if I have already get all of those clothes, all of those jewelries. I have those, chains, all of those glasses, all of those watches that I have to wear, all of those Ralph Lauren, LV, Louis Vuitton, whatever it's called. But I have become the person that I want, and I know I have become that. I know I have become that, and that's the mindset that you wanna have, and you should have. If you don't have, then forget about whatever you are gonna be. You will not even get the job. That's the life works. If your mind is not connected to the life that you want into your future, you will not be able to feature into the life that you want to live at that pace. You have to live that feature in this current life that you are living in, so you will attract those things, all of those which are gonna get after in the future afterwards. You have to admire all of the things that you have right now. This is not the coalition. This is all like you are making yourself to be obsessed what you are and be gratitudinal about what you have all right now. Always say the thank you to the God because you have gotten all the things, because whatever the life you are living right now is the life is someone's dreaming in their dreams. Bro, what I'm saying. Bye for now. कल मिलते हैं and I will meet tomorrow and I love you. Thank you guys for watching.